how to get the slow zoom filter. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the slow zoom filter. So this filter is being trading right now because it's so cool. Now go to TikTok, tap on post, tap on effect, and see if this filter gonna show up. No. So I didn't find this filter on my trading effect. So what I'm gonna do is go back, go to discover, go to search, and tap slow zoom effect. It's trading, so tap on the first choice, and this is it. This is the effect. It's the first choice. You can tap on the camera and start record. If this filter didn't show up, all you need to do is tap on one of those videos and tap on slow zoom and tap on try this effect and start record. So this is it. So guys, this is how you get the slow zoom effect. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.